The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Kia Ceed are constant and impossible to ignore. This walkthrough will show you how to permanently silence them with Beep Away. We'll use a 2025 Kia Ceed as our example, but the same steps work on any car with ISA and a cabin USB port. Beep Away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Kia. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep Away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Ceed. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Kia Ceed is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure wizard. After signing in, the Configure wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Kia Ceed. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep Away can tailor the config file. On a Kia, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep Away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Kia Ceed 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. Kia Ceed 2025 ISA config file, personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Kia Ceed 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Just like other new cars, your 2025 Kia Ceed comes with intelligent speed assist that issues a warning beep whenever it thinks you're over the limit. This system rearms every time you start the car and often misreads signs, meaning the beeping can be nearly continuous. Beep Away provides a permanent solution to silence these warning beeps while ensuring all other car functions remain completely operational. The Beep Away configuration loads directly from your USB stick. It does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply remove the USB stick whenever you wish, and all factory warning sounds will return. While we're demonstrating with a Kia Ceed, the Beep Away steps are identical for any supported vehicle. Owners of many different brands are experiencing the same ISA warning beep issues. If you drive a 2025 Kia Ceed, you are definitely not alone. Owners everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Online forums and review sections are filled with comments about constant beeps for even small overspeeds, settings that reset with every ignition, and menus that only offer temporary silence. This is precisely why so many people are seeking a lasting solution. We'll address a few common questions next. Beep Away uses a reversible configuration that loads from the USB stick only while it's plugged in. Remove the stick and your car returns to its original state. Nothing is permanently rewritten. If warranty terms are critical for your lease or country, we always recommend reviewing your own specific documentation. Yes, Kia Ceed owners can follow the exact same beep-away process you've just seen. To confirm compatibility for your specific vehicle, simply enter your VIN on beepaway.com before ordering. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes to complete this at home. There's no need for a dealer visit, special coding tools, or unique cables. You can easily select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration directly from beepaway. Just search Google for beepaway, or head straight to beepaway.com to begin. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.